Yo, what's up, guys? Hope you all are doing great. Market's been a little interesting this morning. This was not supposed to break 721, but it did. So I'm gonna sit here and watch it for a minute. Sporadic moves on IBG. INDO decided to get a little movement there. I don't know if you guys saw, but Brent is up. Check this out. Oh God, that's bright. Look at that. Brent's up 88, 86. It's up basically 4%. That's rough. What's up, Bort? Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We'll keep looking. We will keep looking. There isn't much going on. Um, ANY decided to spike up there. Here's ANY. This thing decides to get down to about 608. I'll be out. Good. Just tests. That's all. Just more tests. I won't be seeing my regular doctor until April, where he'll go over all the tests. This thing's looking toasty. It was trending in a channel. It broke that channel. It's breaking that channel even more right now. But that's what I was going off of on this one. See that? There's the channel I was building, and then yeah, complete bullshit right there. So I'm just gonna say screw it. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm not gonna take more of a loss than I need to. So there's that. Come on, I'm impatient. Just get out. There we go. And then do that and do that and get out of this one. Don't even want to look at it anymore. It was very annoying. A good call out. It was a good call out. It hit the first target, which was quite a ways away. From 710, 740 to 820. It hit 860, so it was a good call out. I just wasn't paying attention that much when it actually bloomed. Good morning, Thomas. Lost Souls for DKYZ. GBR. Here's GBR. Just the stair steps down. We'll see if the 200 EMA can stop it. Thanks for asking, Caleb. Let me turn this shit off. Sounds great. Sounds great. I need something. I don't know what I need. I need something. TURB. I'll tell you, the market has not been doing at all what I thought it was going to be doing this morning. I mean, I knew it was going to be slow. That was a given. Fridays are usually fuck off Fridays. Um, but yeah, it's not doing at all what I thought it was going to do. And EONR is moving. Here's the EONR. Nice little possible possible big inverted head and shoulder pattern on EONR on a 30-minute. Here's the 1 hour, 2 hour right here. 81's the target on EONR. Vegas, here I come. The one squib is coming. Is battle ripping again? Battle, yeah. Well, that's like I said, it's because oil prices have surged. We're at $89 right now. We're at 4.4% up on crude. That's why. But BATL isn't really, I mean, it's not really surging. You know, it's getting more and more. That's why I said battle is more of a swing play. If you guys have been on here with me since Monday, you know what I've been saying. Good morning, Night Owl. All right, let's do a roll call here. All right, let's see. Well, hello, Jim Dandy. Hello, Caleb Queen, Futures Capital, Darren Riley, Boris, Happy Lou, American Spirit, Leonard, Risky, Lost Souls, Debbie Thomas. Let's see, Mr. Lonely, the one squib, and Fred. Yo yo yo, what's up? All right, let's see, and then YouTube. We got Mark, DM Lilienfeld, and we got Night Owl in there. What's up, guys? All right, so we'll see if things come to fruition. You see the green line on battle. The green line on battle is basically the resistance. That's like it has to break that. It breaks that, and we'll probably have 29 plus. All right. And over here we have EONR resources pushing towards that first target at about 82 cents. There you go, Mr. Lonely. Hell yeah. Good for you. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, the follow, the share. Mostly the share. Let's share the shit out of this thing. Yeah, yesterday just completely wore me out. I don't know what it was. Was it the no coffee? Was it what was it? Like, I don't know. I was literally just crawling yesterday. I believe that Brent will that oil Brent will probably hit today. It'll probably hit, I want to say about 93. I think it'll hit 93. We'll see. Do, 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 do. Come on, baby. Let's go, EONR. Move your ass. Move it, move it, move it. Gosh darn it. Uh, Yo, good morning, Mark. Good morning, Raul. Why does the market anger me so? Yo, Mitchell's in the house. What's up, Mitchell? Thank you for the hearts, me and the let him cook. D-Melon, what about GBR? What about it? It's not awake yet. It's still trying to wake up. Just like me, it's still trying. What would you like to know about GBR? Um, so I can't really give you targets on GBR because GBR is on the watch list. So that's why I can't give you guys targets. That's why I haven't really said anything about it. Ugh. One of these days when I get all the applications that I need, the uh the live will become just private. Once I have all the team members in here that I want, it's gonna happen. It's just, the market's been really, really weird, which scared a lot of people off. A lot of people got scared, had family stuff happen, and and then I was sick there for a while. November through yeah, November through December almost. Yeah, yeah, I was dealing with some shit. So there's some people that fell off, and so once I rebuild to the point where I feel good at, then I'm gonna make the lives private. It'll probably just be on Discord. Might do like, a couple minutes on TikTok, a couple minutes YouTube, and then just switch over. But that's later on. That's nowhere. We're nowhere near where I'd like to be. The group's doing well. It's just since I've cleared people out, the conversation slowed down in there, which is fine. That's okay. Um, in the market, with everything going on, it's been tough. It's been tough. But small profits, small losses, that'll keep your account alive. Oh, there's something right there. God, I don't like this stock. JZXN. JZXN's blowing up right now. I don't like it. There's your targets. Oh, hey, what's up? Two down. What we always on that bad boy. No touch for me, right? Yeah, I know, Debbie. I'm the same way. Whenever I see this one, I just go, ugh. This one makes me feel like Mullen. This one just makes me feel like Mullen. And obviously, you can see the name, right? Giuzzi Holdings. There you go, two down. Man, screw that stock. This is a good song. So, I mean, it's fine for a scalp, for a quick scalp, but I mean quick because this will dump. It dumps hard on everybody. It's like they could see everything and they go, "Okay, we've got our number. Boom, dump." It is a jerk. What's up, Cree? I'm really curious what's going to happen with, you know, obviously the economy with Trump, yeah, and you know, picking and poking uh on China because right now, he's poking. So I'm curious what's going to happen to Chinese stocks. Look at that dumping already. Ha ha ha. This is just standard for it. It'll go up, it'll go down, probably hit 195 and then come down. EONR surprised me. Surprised me. I thought this thing was going to keep going. It decided not to. Again, small loss. That's two for me today. J-Rock, don't speak while WWE Cody Rhodes theme song is playing. Yeah, yeah. EONR is a pain in my ass. It's okay though. It's all right. DLXY starting to do something. There you go. 4.71 million float, 240,000 volume so far. Technically, you're Mark. Technically, you're not going to be stuck with battle as long as oil keeps going up. Battle's going to keep going. It's just pullbacks, pullbacks. I'd be careful if you're playing with TPET. Be careful with that one. It's a you know it's a low price stock. We'll get it figured out. We'll get it figured out. Right now, my freaking heart's bugging me a little bit. I think that's why my energy's been so dang low. It's low. I have my coffee back today, so I'm excited. That makes me happy. God. Ba-na-na-na. When you're playing bass drum in the high school band, this song's a lot of fun. Fun fact about me: when I was in high school, I played in the marching band on the big old bass drum in the back. I did that, and I played football. And halftime, I would have to go run, put my shit on, and and beat the drum. And I'm only talking about this shit because there's nothing moving, nothing that I would actually want to talk about. JZXN pump back up. Let's see if it hits that first target. Yeah, Mobix is consistently having a problem with 102. Let me see what I got here under this sign. Okay, that's restroom break. Okay, let me change that. There we go. And for those of you that don't know, I'm also sitting on there. And yep, that's that. Uh-huh. Yeah, the market's just a bunch of it's a big mess right now. So I recommend doing that. Going to Dog MD just because I'm trying to raise the my subscribers on there. Um, so if TikTok ever does have a problem with me again, because they keep they find ways to have problems with me. Um, it's a good idea to have another spot. Like when they banned me for a couple days there, all I did is stream on YouTube. So how much money would it take for someone to buy 25% of Jrockstocks if there's a serious investor? How much money would it take? Oh God, $1 billion. No, no, it's not for sale. No for sale. I I I told you I get offers from places all the time asking me, hey, what would it cost to get you to talk about our stock or and money should be driving me, but it doesn't drive me. That's not my thing. I like the question though, Mitchell. It's intriguing. I haven't had anyone come at me like that with that question. But because yes, at that point, I haven't really given that any thought. Yeah, it's interesting. So yesterday we had about 70, 80 people in here for the most part. Today we're slowly building. We're at 50 now, but you can see the difference in how many people want to play on Fridays. Hey, there we go. What's up, dog? MD? Do I think EONR is gonna have another little climb up? I believe so. I do believe so. I'm holding on to it for a minute. Again, I'm not playing with a whole lot of cash here. Here, let's see if JZXN does what it usually does. Um, but yeah, I'm not playing with a whole lot of money, so there's no real like risk for me, and that's why. And I'm doing this for two reasons. Because one, I lose too much money on the lives. I do. I lose money on the lives because I just get kind of, I just fuck around, you know? So, so that's the thing there. I fuck around too much. We got JZXN trying to get up to that 95. Um, and what this is also doing is it's making me get back to, you know, making it easy. Because it really isn't that tough to make a few bucks here and there on this stuff as long as you're in and out. Like on like what was it? On IBG this morning. IBG alerted 710, 740. Take profit was 820. So if I did exactly that, if I literally jumped in, jumped out, boom, I would have made some decent cash off of, a small investment, right? But I lagged a little bit and I looked at other stocks because I was looking for something else to alert. And yeah, and I missed it. I missed it just a little too late. How's Indo doing? Indo was doing all right, and then it decided not to. And Mela, yeah, it doesn't matter if JZXN has news. That thing is a crapshoot. But thank you. Anyways, let's see here. Let's see. What was I? INDO. Just gonna see where it ended up after its little move. This is IBG and DO. Looks like JZXN is gonna hit that 195. All right, so there you go. So Indo decided to run up to 577. So it didn't quite get that first target. Remember, if you guys are on the watch list, if you guys are on the Discord, that first target is usually where you pull most of your crap out. And then let some ride a little bit more, if it is a breakout. And that'll save you guys money too. And at the end of the day, honestly, like if you guys, let's say you make 20 bucks or 100 bucks, whatever, if you're feeling like the market is very fugazi, then take it as that and leave, be done. Don't force trades. Yesterday, yeah, that's where I screwed myself yesterday. Yesterday I forced a trade. Oh man, what are you doing? There, no, this thing's gonna hit that 95, but um what am I missing here? What happened? Okay, good. It's heading back up. So yeah, don't force trades because that's what gets you in trouble. It literally made me I was pretty much all day. I forced a trade and I lost, I think it was like $6 or something like that. And then I ended the day red $6. It's like, come on. That's right. There you go. Overtrading is not a good thing. It is a real thing. Technically, if I'm happy with what I get by the time I get off the live with you guys, I shouldn't play anymore the rest of the day. I should be done. It's also a stress level on you guys. If you guys haven't been doing this for a while and money stresses you out, you got money problems, you shouldn't be doing this. You know, I see Rick forced TP, T lost 50, still gained 100. There you go. On average, I give back in the afternoon. See, so don't trade in the afternoon. There you go. We got our first target on JZXN. Let's see if the next target wants to come in. Yeah, I've I've been very determined not to play JZXN ever after getting my ass clapped there several times. Strategic investor agrees to 80 million investment in the company at $2 per share. Okay, well, there you go. You're pretty much at $2 per share. Let's see. Preliminary participation in management followed by subsequent yeah, what happened with that, huh? I guess that crypto stuff doesn't do so well sometimes. I heard people bitching about it, like wipe their accounts out and stuff. All right, so let's keep on looking because we could sit here and watch this thing all day long, but it won't do anything for us. This one here, I'm just gonna hang out. This could be possibly doing a little bit of a cup and handle right here. So on a cup and handle, you're waiting for a breakout of the rim. We'll call it the rim, right? So here's your rim. That's the rim. So we'll give it a little green light. We'll turn that to green. Green light, go. So right now it's looking like it wants to. Look at your MACD. Your MACD is doing that. So this could be a real breakout or it could be a fake out breakout. TPET looks to be testing yesterday's high. That's good. Be careful with TPET. I would not recommend big positions on that thing. That's also been known to pump and dump, and a lot of these are the company's not making a lot of money, so they're gonna go ahead and make the money off retail. So just with everything, I keep saying be careful, be careful, be careful. Let's see, cup and handle working on this one. Is it gonna work? Ah, how's you guys' week? Was it a decent week for you? I was bag holding GXAI for 8 days after price 135 until yesterday sold at 229. There you go. There you go. Awesome. Yeah, I'm personally I don't believe in bag holding anymore. I mean hold a day or so, but I don't play that way. Um this is a this is a great book for you guys to read. Oh, look at that. I got another review here. Let's see. Hello, Jrock. I've been following you for a while now on YouTube, and I must say I love the content that you put out there. I would love to be a member of your. I don't have a free Discord. Would appreciate it if you could share me the link to be part of the community. Thank you, Eric Joe. So there we go. So little cup and handle worked a little bit there. But yeah, there is no free Discord. It is a paid Discord. Um, this thing's interesting right now. I'm debating if I want to just drop my stuff down, and could also be doing a little bit of an inverted head and shoulder pattern here. There's your shoulder, here's your head, here's the other shoulder, and but we're not going to hold our breath on that, right? Yeah, yeah. Caleb Johnson. That's very nice of you. I appreciate that. That is really cool. Yeah, sometimes I'm spot on. There's other times where I can't hit anything personally. Targets I put out pretty much hit. All right, so I'm debating if I should just take my money off the table. So if this is an inverted head and shoulder pattern, it needs to break this right here. So this one worked. So let's just move this one up. So for this inverted head and shoulder pattern to work, it has to break this line. When it breaks this line, it should hit my 82 cents. It's not 82 yet. Come on now. There. 81.97. Close enough. Whatever. So what I was trying to tell you guys is with the whole bag holding thing. So here are the reviews on Jrockstocks, right? All right, so over here, if you go to Learning Center, okay, you scroll down, you go to Goodreads. Ah, gosh, I gotta log in. Hang on. Hang on, I haven't done this for a minute, so log in. All right, there we go. I'm logged in. Move that back there for you guys. So you go down, you scroll down, you go to Goodreads. This is a good book right here. This is one of my favorite books to listen to while I drive to my uncle's. It takes about 26 minutes, 30 minutes for me to get to my uncle's, depending on if there's traffic or not. This book by Tom Hogard. It's really good. Why normal thinking never wins the trading game. Okay, you have to think outside the box. Really good idea. Listen to this or read it. All right, this is a good one too, right there. If you need a little inspiration in your life, Ed Milet, this one right here, it's really good. I'm not really into all these, um, guru guys that say, "Hey, your life could be like Tony Robbins." I'm not really not into those guys, but this book right here did very well for me when I was a realtor. Anyways, How to Day Trade: The Plain Truth. Ross Cameron, you guys know that guy. You better know that guy. I mean, you better know his stuff. He's got a lot of good information on YouTube. If you're looking for the watch list, this is the watch list. This is what it usually looks like. All right. So if you notice, I started putting these little lines here. It's because on some of them, it was actually putting out the the information on tickers and stuff. So I started doing that. So like right here, date first, USO entry 8250. This was oil and defense um, ETFs, special situation kind of setups, war headlines. This literally I put this out as soon as like literally not 10 minutes after Trump's thing. But yeah, and here you go. So here is a watch list. This is usually what it looks like. All right, there you go. HCTI, you have entry, stop, take profit 1, 2, and 3. You have a little information there. Okay, but this is what it looks like. Oh, I missed a space there. Damn it. It'll tell you like, hey, be careful, that kind of stuff. All right, but that's what that looks like. If you guys are interested in that, you can fill out your application right here. This is your application right here. All right, so full access for the month, $59.99. You get Discord access, you get the watch list. Watch list comes out Sunday through Thursday. and it's usually out before 8 p.m. Special circumstances, sometimes it's a little late, but it's just it still comes out. I have not missed one watch list yet, and I've been in the hospital. I've been all this other shit. I still have not missed one. So there you go. Um, for the year, if you want to save 20%, there you go. You just save 20% right there. You sign up for the year. And then if you want just the watch list, basically this is like your test run. If you want just the watch list, there you go. All right. I'm thinking of making just a Discord one, but we'll see. All right. So I'm not going to keep getting into it, but jrockstocks.com. There you go. All right. Okay. So now it's back down. So now this is even a bigger cup and handle. And again, your breakout's going to be right there on this. All right, I just signed up with you again, and it is really helping. Thanks. Hey, thanks, man. That's awesome. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, user. Oh, and trust me, I'm not sitting here saying that I know everything about everything, but if I don't know, I'll find out and I'll give you your information that you need. The other thing is I'm working on a program. It's been I'd say right now, it's about 60% correct. And that's still not close enough for me to be able to say, hey guys, here, check this out. So and currently I'm building it on Thinkorswim, but it's going to be on TradingView as well. All right. So not doing so hot there. Cree, you've been dancing all over the place. There's JZXN right here, looking like it wants to dump. It breaks this 159, and it's going to come back down to the red line. So, dog, you average down. Yeah, I don't recommend averaging down for two reasons. The market is way too volatile. um, one, two, like you can make more money with the money you have in the stock that you've already put money into, and you're putting good money after bad money, which is not a good sign. That's not a good thing to do. Sometimes it works out, sure. And if you time the bottom just right, sure. But for the most part, averaging down, unless you know exactly what you're doing, whoo, all good. 8 days later, oh gosh, doing what it does, best dump. Yeah, this is a best dump. It is. You're right. Hey guys, I just wanted to say, you know, thank you for your support. There you go. There you go. Nice and pretty. I appreciate you guys. All right. Come on, break on through. Ah, Cree. See, she's already getting my mind twisted. She's gotta say bottoms. She's gotta. Come on now, let's go. Did this just turn into a weird inverted head and shoulder pattern, or is the cup and handle trying to work out here again on a 1 minute? God, I really want another cup of coffee. I really do. I think I should, but uh, uh, my heart rate's doing okay. Come on, baby, break through. Remember, we still need to get through this right here. You need more umph. Umph. Let's go. You guys dancing? Y'all excited? I love this. This is cool. I'm just pin that. I found this wizard. He is. He is. uh, RUBI. Let's see. RUBI. Nope. No volume on a small float. Sure, there's volume, but there's no actual volume. Like this is still lagging. Get away. What hour you run your Discord? So I run the Discord pretty much all day. Um, I I have not been posting a whole lot of alerts on there. I've been trying to be real picky, and that's just because I don't want to put shit out and then it just gets kind of cluttered. At one point there, I was putting out a good amount of stuff, and it was hitting, but then it was like, okay, that's just spreading too thin. I'm trying to invest. The Cash App is that safe? I don't I don't recommend Cash App for investments. There's a lot of scams out there right now. Me personally, I stick with things that I trust. I trust Weeble. Um, Unfortunately, I trust TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab now. I don't know why my brain just went back to that. Telling you, man. Telling you. This coffee it's starting to wake me up. How you feeling? Mitchell. Mitchell, you good? You feeling better? You burning trees over there, buddy? That's right. Mitchell's been under the weather. I don't know if I want that song right now. There we go. This one's good. Yeah, dude was sick. He was sick. Come on, man. EONR, you're driving me nuts. What is this GCO? It almost got back to the little red line. Look at it go. Look at it go, this JZXN. Look at it go. Doing what it does best. So it's if it breaks 149, it's definitely going to hit this red line and probably going to come back lower, 124 on JZXN. I was going to see what GCO is. 9 million float. It's got news. It's up $3.91. Reports fiscal 2026 and posts higher Q4 sales. Okay, what is this thing? I'm curious. GCO. It's a little more expensive than I'd like, but it is moving for some reason. Uh, Very low volume, only 2,000, almost 3,000 shares traded. What do they do? What are they? They do have an S8 five months ago. Okay. If you don't know what an S8 is, look it up. It's really easy. Oh boy. Okay, these people deal with Johnson, and so this is Genesco creates global retail organization to sharpen customer focus and drive. Johnson and Murphy. Why is Johnson and Murphy in there? Is that what this is? I have no idea. I don't know what oh my God, GCO is. I have no idea what it is. I'll have to look it up. Such a good song. I don't know if you guys agree. It's good. Yeah, don't worry, it will make it down there. Oh yes, it will. I saw this dude 3 times in concert. He's pretty fun. Dude, he's awesome. Alan Cooper? All right, let's see. It's basically retail footwear company. Oh, okay. All right, that's what Genesco is. That's what GCO is. It's a footwear company. Retail. Company actually does. Genesco designs, sources, markets, and sells footwear, apparel, and accessories through multiple brands and retail chains. They operate over 1,200 retail stores. The company is headquartered in Nashville, Tennessee. Has been around since 1924. What? Wow. This company's been around since 1924. Originally starting as a shoe manufacturer called Jarman Shoe Company. All right. Hey, come on now. Let's go, EONR. Let's go, you little dookie head. Come on, EONR. Oh, look at it trying to break. Look at it trying to break out. You keep on trying there. You keep on trying there, girly. Let's go. Let's go. Make a little run for it. I like it. I like it. I'm liking it. Let's bring that a little closer. 76. All we need is like 6 more pennies. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Come on, EONR. You can do it. These made me a couple bucks here and there, EONR. GBR is trying to break 139. It's trying to break that. It's got some problems. TPET consistently putting up higher highs. So that's nice. TPET. We'll put that over here. TPET doing a good job. Along with the oil. Oil's almost at 90 a barrel. Currently it's at 89.39, it looks like. 89.39 up 4.3%. Looking a little bit like a cup and handle there, right? Or a double bottom here. I think what this is starting to do right over here, I could be wrong, but I'm very rarely wrong when it comes to doing this crap. What it could be doing here, and as long as you have the focus, you can see it. EONR slowly coming back up here. We're almost there. Oh yeah, Mitchell, burning them fires. Hey guys, thank you. Thanks, Mitchell. Thanks for the 5 golden gloves. Oh my God, I finally got some golden gloves. Yeah, baby, golden gloves. That's right. Knock that out. Boom. All right, so you guys see that? You get that, right? Why did I take that away? I don't know, whatever. Whatever. It's Friday. I don't have any apple juice. Mm, I don't have any lemonade. Man, look at that. Mitchell just hit the goal. All by himself. He hit the golden glove goal. Thanks, Mitchell. Very kind of you, sir. Very kind of you. Love it. Let's go. Damn, he's gonna hit the goal himself. There he is. 80%. Oh man. Look at you go. Aw, you crazy mofo. Come on, EONR, get up there. I believe in you. All right. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. You hit the goal, Mitchell, all by yourself. You did it, buddy. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's see. What else is going on here? EONR is pulling back a little bit here. You know, and I'm going to say it, it's not much, but I should probably take some profits. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this right here. I'm just going to say, screw it. Let's just take some profits just to take some profits. Woohoo! Profit scalped. Whoa, yay. That's not how I like to do things. I don't really like to chase down like that, but take some profits. Nothing crazy. We're playing with little tiny bits of money. So thanks, Mitchell. There is only one Jrockstocks. Yes, sir. This is a good song too. Sometimes you feel like there is no light at the end of the tunnel, and all you need is just one more step forward, and boom, there it is. You broke through all the bullshit that life throws at you. Man, I talk to a lot of people on the Discord. I talk to a lot of people. A lot of people have, you know, a lot of random shit going on, and some of it's really bad, some of it's good, you know, but it's always one step forward, you know. Feels sometimes it feels like 10 steps back, but as long as you're moving forward, it should be good. Hey, look, Tony Robbins. Just kidding. But yeah, just keep on going. We're still looking. I'm still trying to find something. Still trying. And I'm trying to find something that hasn't blown up yet. Check out AIFF. AIFF. David Zavala, thank you for the rose. AIFF again. This one's been up and down. This one's had a good little move, as you can see. So these were previous gaps that it filled. It filled that gap. You guys know how we all love to fill gaps, right? Filled that gap. This one we can consider its support right there. This is AIFF. Let's take a look here. For some reason, I have 380 marked on this chart. All right, so there's another gap right here. $216. That's the gap right there. So possibilities that it gets to 216 are there. We'll just see how the algorithms want to suck it up. Curious why I have 380 marked. Just oh, that's right. Okay, I got it. I remember. I remember. So here is AIFF. All right, volume still needs some work. We still need some volume there. Cree is running hard. Cree is running hard. Cree is running hard, huh? Well, not really. Cree's not really running hard. Cree ran hard, and right now it's trading consolidation in what is that? 430 to about 4. Let me zoom in so I can give you correct numbers here. 437 to about 480. That's really where it's hovering. Crazy candles, yes. Crazy candles, yes. 5 a.m. crazy candles. That's right. I love it. You guys are great. You guys are great. You're doing good. You guys are, you know, showing up. We already got 15,000 likes. I mean, it's only 5 a.m. We got plenty of time to hit that 25 or 30 or whatever you guys want to hit. All good. 8 days later, still. Come on, market. You know you want to market. PRSO. PRSO. Starting to move a little bit. PRSO right here. Banjo now. Obviously, 108 is going to be a little bit of a troublemaker for it. You got 20 cents to go once it hits 108. It'll hit 128 pretty quick. There's 113, 114. I said 128, it'll hit real quick. You're probably going to look for about 137, 140 on that one. There's your first target on that. After that, all right, marked up there for you. There's 121. We almost got that 128 that I told you was going to hit pretty quick once it broke that 108. So let's see how fast that comes to fruition. There's 125. There's 126. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get that 128. Tap it. Tap it for me. Tap 128 for me. Like I know you want to. All right, so I'm going to wait for a little bit of a break here. There's 129. Boom. So literally within seconds, I told you guys it was going to hit 128 if it broke 108. It hit 129. What, in a minute? That was 1 minute. So now I'm just going to wait for a little bit of a pullback. I want to catch that 140. I think it can do it. Let's just go ahead and, what is it, $1, $1.20, 100 shares? Sure, why? Yeah, sure, why not? I'll do it, whatever. All right, so I'm waiting for a little pullback because this is the first little move here. I don't know what the news is, if it even has news. This day and age, I'm not really that hell-bent on finding news because a lot of the news has just been garbage and just crap. There we go. So it does. 4 minutes ago, Paraso, 60 gigahertz wave technology selected for next generation drone identification system for military applications. Okay. So there's some news 4 minutes ago. So am I right there? Do I want to wait? Do I want to wait? Yeah, I want to wait. I want to wait. I do. Where's my volume weighted average price? Right there. 118. All right, EONR. Trying to make another move here. I'm debating on if I want to just jump into this thing or if I want to be patient. Usually patience is good. Usually patience is good. Could this be its little reversal that it's going to come down and tap me in here? Possibility is there. Come on. All right. So maybe not. Maybe I got to move up because it just tapped that volume weighted average price and we'll just get in right there. EONR making me a little bit of money here. Not much. There we go. There we go. There's 130. Come on. Get back up. Keep on going. So let's do it the way that I like to do it, right? Let's go create new. We're almost there. We're almost at that that 140. There we go. So move that up to 140. There we go. All right, so we got a little bit there. So that's 140. We said right here. We'll do another 30 there. There's that. Okay, cool. So we have 134, 135. Here we go, 137. Let's go, baby. Don't forget to take your profits, guys, on the way up, not on the way down. It's just easier that way. 138. I almost got it. Almost got it. Come on, get up, get up. Let's go. We want to scalp that profit, baby. Let's go. All right, here we go. We're looking for 140. We got 138. There's 139. There we go. We just scalped some profit. Let's go. There you go, guys. How fast was that? How fast did that happen? That was pretty awesome. Jrockstocks.com. Let's go. That was pretty easy, right? That was pretty easy. So yeah, so now we just wait. It's got it's got good news, military, drone infrastructure. Yeah, that stuff. It's got good news. 4 minutes ago, first pullback, waited for volume, weighted average price. It tapped it, but it didn't buy me in, so I moved my stuff up to 125 and caught a couple pennies there. That's important. Now I've got the other. So I sold 50, so I sold half my position. Now I've got another, 30 for sale up here just to see what it does. We got EONR trying to double top me, trying to get to that 81.97. We're still waiting there. There we go. There's 145 on PRSO. Come on, baby. Keep on moving. There you go. There you go. You're welcome, Captain. You're welcome. All right, come on, EONR. Yes, David Conway, PRSO. Yes, sir. This is exactly how legends are made. Ah, sometimes I feel like the music just talks to me, you know? Oh, itchy. I'm itching for more coffee. Itching for more coffee. Hey guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. I don't think there's another place like this, uh, this community. I really don't. I don't think there's a community like this out there. I know there's a lot of communities. I know there's a lot of new people that have jumped on the finance aspect you know, of TikTok, and it is what it is. But again, I don't think you guys. I don't think there's another one like us. Jrock's legend. Thanks, man. There's 149. Come on, let's get 163. Let's move that up to actual 163. Ah, it won't let me, so just a penny higher. There's 153. Come on, baby. 10 more pennies. 10 more pennies, and then I got to give you another target. 10 more pennies. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, PRSO. Let's go, PRSO. We got 10 more pennies. We just need it. Just get it so we can scalp some more profit on you. All right, so this big top wick, that's telling me that the sellers are stepping in here. The bears are pushing this down. So we're waiting. We're waiting. We're being patient. This was resistance. Now it's support. Remember, take profits on the way up, not on the way down. Don't go chasing this stuff. Thank you, David Zavala. Thank you for the roses. Appreciate you. Let's go. So this would be its second pullback. Doesn't want it. Look at that. Let's go. Push that 164, 163. Well, we're going to wait. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. All right. EONR is losing my interest. It's fudging around too much. I think I'm just going to drop this down and just say screw it. Just take that and take that. There you go. Look at that. Look at that go. 157, 158. Let's go. Come on now. Oh, you got to be quicker than that. Come on. Oh, it's so much fun when you find something that's actually moving. Come on, baby. You got a little bit more in you. I'm not putting another target up because it's having a little bit of problems. So we'll see what happens here. Just a quick jump over 163. Let's go. And there is 164. And literally I am at 164. So it didn't fill. It didn't fill because I'm at 164. Let's see it jump up real quick. Come on. Hit 165 so it gets me out. Let's go. This is fun, isn't it? Isn't this fun? This is fun. All right, looks like we're gonna have to just wait it out a little bit. Come on, just jump up real quick. All right, so at EONR, I'm out of. I took my little tiny profit there. Oh, come on. All right, so in this kind of situation here, look, I'm just gonna drop this down. It's fine if it hits 165, great. If it doesn't, whatever. Internal server error, interesting. All right, come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. $164 is the top of this little run here that it had. So that's pretty good. That is its second pullback. As you guys can see, I'm trying to get out at 157 right now. Not fully out. It's 30 shares. And there we almost went. That was very close. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 20 right here. Oh man, my nose itches like crazy. All right, I'm gonna put the other 20 right there. And once it hits 158, it'll close my position out there. I'm just trying to capture the profit. That's all. If I'm gonna be jumping around looking at something else as well. Oh God, so itchy. All right, let's see if this is gonna do what it usually does when it does a second pullback like that. Little micro pullback here. This is a second pullback. Let's see. Come on, get that. And when it does get that, I'm pretty sure it's going to get up to 187. But again, I'm not here to make guesses and sit here and go, "Oh boy, yeah, it's going to do it." I'm here just to take money, take my profit, right? So come on, get it. Get that 164 again. Almost there. Great music. Thanks, Graylin. Appreciate it. Fred Flintstone. Cree's not running. Cree is in a consolidation area. Now, we went over this. We went over this, Fred Flintstone. I love it. I love the enthusiasm, though. All right, here we go. There we go. We are out. It's going to go over that 164 now. We just scalped some more profit, and we were happy with that. We're good to go. We're happy. We're happy with the two bad ones this morning, the ones that I took a little loss on. Um, I am back to being profitable 15 bucks. So that's pretty cool. Yep. So here it is. Here is Cree. Cree's dancing, man. Cree's not running. She's dancing. You best get that right. Debbie says, Fred, go find Wilma. And the shit talking begins. I'm just kidding. All right. So there you go. You guys saw how easy that was and how quick that was to literally get the first from 108 to 128. There's 20 cents. And then the next stop was that 164. It literally hit 164 on the nose, and then came back down. Consolidation right now. This is first micro pullback, second pullbacks right here. And in the perfect scenario, this would not drop below 144, but it's probably going to come down to the volume weighted average price, which is that yellow line right here, and then maybe move up and hit this target up here. Your MACD's looking pretty weak right now, just to let you know. Brent, there it is. PRSO, he was in a day early. He was in it at 81 cents. God, I'm so itchy. Oh, my allergies are firing. All right, so there's that. I think I need more coffee. I think I do. Let's see, is it going to tap that yellow line? Volume weighted average price. And if you notice, Cree's just kind of trading on that red line. That's 200 EMA there. I can't stop itching. How do you find these at 81 cents? Well, you look for information, you read filings, Logan. That's how you find them at 81 cents. That, or sometimes you just get lucky as hell. All right, let's see if we could find something else. Literally, and guys, it is like that. So the news came out. I want to say about when the news came out, it was probably, yeah, there it is, 801. So 501. News came out, the stock started pumping, it started adding some volume. You have 442,000 shares on this candle here on this 1 minute. Okay. Everything before that was like in the 100, 10, 26 right there. 100, 200. When you see the volume spike up like that, there you go, 442, 14, so 1.4 million, 2 million. That's right there. There's your, oh shit, this thing's moving. Let's go. Yeah, also low float. That definitely helps. You're right, Debbie. And then over here, so you got a little bit of a, hey, well, let's see. Let's take some profits off the table. That's what happens. It's micro pullback and then boom. And that was, I mean, that couldn't have been read easier. So there you go. So your next target, 163. Then you got 187. If this thing really wants to push, then I believe there was a gap, right? Wasn't there a gap on this one? I can't stop itching. Man, driving me nuts. I believe there was a gap. I think we saw one up here somewhere. All right, maybe not. So obviously $2 is going to be a pressure point. 211s after that. So we'll mark that for you guys with a yellow. There you go. And that's not guaranteeing that it's going to get there. All it's saying is, hey, there's a possibility that it can get there. It's got volume, it's got news, it's got defense news, drone news, military contract. So there's that. Come on, push through it right now. MOBX and PRSO merger deal in the works. Cool. There we go. There's 160s. 161. Come on. Push on through. Let's go. She's going to go for it. Oh, yes, she is. She's going to go for it. Let's see here. RITR. RITR. What you got here? Signs share subscription deal for up to 60 million equity investment. Okay. Double bottom off the 200 EMA. Trying to break out. 82 cents is the breakout. 90 is your first target. There's a gap at 179 on RITR. Oh, so itchy. Oof. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Let's go. You guys are doing great. Cree's dancing. Debbie says INDO is finally moving. All right, we'll come back to PRSO. We'll go to no, we'll go to INDO over here. There we go. There she did. She did. She moved. You guys have to question everything. All right, so INDO, if you guys were paying attention to the Discord this morning, then you would have caught the alert that I put out there. Yeah, okay, right there. That's fine. There we go. Oh man. Oh yeah, I forgot I can do that. That's right. That's right. I can do that. Let's move it up here and make it smaller. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. That's right. That'll work. So there's the alert this morning at 389 or 359. I'm sorry. 389. 359. I put the alert out on the Discord. All right. Entry 555 to 570. Stop 525. Take profit 1, 610. Take profit 2, 660. Take profit 3, 740. If you look, INDO hit 677. 677 just recently. So we got the first two take profits on there. Done. There we go. And that was this morning. So let me just put my little stuff on here. Boom. TP1, TP2. Check, check, check. Check it out. TP2. Check, check, check. Check it out. What's it all about? All right. Indo, baby. So there we go. Whole dollar. That's a whole dollar. I don't know if you guys caught that off the live. I mean, if you guys caught that off the Discord this morning. Fireballs in the chat. We're still waiting for PRSO to break through. Good morning. Oh, man. I'm still zonked out, babe. I cannot snap out of it. Yeah, I need something. All right. Where are we at? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Other than watching this, waiting for a breakout on this right here. As long as the volume keeps coming in, you're good. On a 1 minute, this thing's doing 1 million, 2 million shares traded. And then this last one, hi, Georgina. Hey, 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 what's up, Poochie? All right. You crazy mutt. She's awesome. She's such a crazy mutt. All right, are we still here? Anybody? Anybody? You guys still hanging out? Who's here? You know what? I know. Because right now we're all kind of just sitting waiting for something to go off and something to happen. PRSO doing a great job hanging out. You got TURB, which I mean that I alerted last night, but I guess Weeble wasn't allowing people to buy it, liquidate only or something like that. Yep. All right. Careful that PRSO doesn't break the yellow line. It breaks the yellow line and she's in trouble. The yellow line is your volume weighted average price. It's at 144. It's what it uses as support. That's where the algos sit. So just be careful with that. INDO moving back up here. Looking for INDO break the $6.31. It breaks that. You might have yourself a higher high. Your stock wife is here. Sup? Let's go, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I've noticed a lot of you haven't said hello. I see a lot of people in here that haven't said hello. Ocean Black Jr. That's awesome. Let's see who else we got here. Andy, Jonathan. Man, you guys are just sitting quiet. That's weird. That's weird. What's up, J Trader? You guys, come on now. Come on in and say hello. Say hi. Hey, what's up? What's up, guys? ¿Qué pasa? Órale, Holmes. ¿Qué pasa, mi loco? Ah, okay, I gotta get coffee. Always lurking, Stinky Pinky. Yeah, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with that Stinky Pinky. He's always lurking. Hey guys, again, I want to say thank you for your support. Right now, I am going to go and do a little bit of a coffee break, little restroom break, and I'll be right back. Oh god dang, I need more coffee. I'm too itchy. All right, just put the coffee on the Keurig here, and then let's see. I got to put the little coffee thing up here on. There we go. We'll just do that for YouTube. Be right back. 2 seconds.
All right. I'm back. I think it's standing time too. I think I'm gonna stand up. All right, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Good people, you know, no TikTok messing with me. Life, she is a good one. I'm like his bobbly head on YouTube. It's funny. Oh man. All right, let's keep on looking here. Like I said, PRSO, there it is. It's on the yellow line. Don't let that break. If it breaks, then it's going to come back down and it might find some support down here on PRSO. All right, RITR. Yep. We looked at that just a second ago. There it is. Hit its target. Boom. Don't forget to take your profits, guys. Do not forget to take the profits. Yep, that was the subscription deal. 60 million equity investment. Yup. Let's go. You guys excited? I'm excited, man. I don't know about you guys. The lives have been pretty fire the past week or so, right? Oh, that's hot. Oh, I guess the ice cube I put in here was a lot smaller. Bullseye 44. Been watching PRSO all morning. Cool. I'm doing cartwheels and backflips right now. All right, Debbie. Oh man, I love it. I love it. Debbie's not yelling at me today. I'm happy. This is good. I think she's noticed that I've turned God, it can't stop itching. Oh. uh I think Debbie's noticed that I've turned into somewhat of a scalper. Yeah, you are a different man. I know. I know. Now if I could just get this 40 pounds of extra weight off me, I'll be way different, man. You know? All right, let's see. Come on, PRSO. Let's go, baby. There she goes. There she goes. There's 177, guys. Don't forget to take your profits. Don't forget to take some profits. Come on, baby. No turning back. Look at that. That hit 180. The target's 187. That hit 180. Tell me, is in all the TikToks that you guys watch, what have you guys noticed this week? What's been different? I'm sure you're gonna say that the market got better from last week or 2 weeks ago or shit last month. The market's gotten better. Things are moving again. My hat, this hat, this hat right here, this hat's the same. This hat's always the bullish AF hat with the cup and handle skull. Yep. I've been working on some issues with finances, so the cups are not ordered, and I need more mugs. And then I'm also going to be ordering more of these hats because I've come to actually really like this hat. Free, you have a hat. What do you think about the hat? Do you like the hat? Like, is the shape, the rim, all that mumbo jumbo? Do you like that? Is it all right? Because I only had two of these printed. We're watching PRSO still. I love my hat, and I don't usually wear hats. Okay, cool. So you do like the hat itself. Awesome. Because there's another design, and I showed you the one that I'm gonna make for women. It's the rose with the Jrockstocks. I just gotta make it. That's it. I love my hat, and I don't usually wear hats. You pinned it. That's awesome. Yep. 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 the finances have gotten a little tight because, like I said, I've been playing with a lot less money. So I had to pull some money out of my other account, the smaller account. And yeah, and this one's small now too. So it's because of how the market shifted. You guys have no idea how many people I saw. Hubs is jealous. Laugh my ass off. Ah, that's awesome. You guys have no idea how many people I've heard from that said, the market's just too difficult. Even with, me putting stuff out there. People get greedy, people need money, gas is expensive, this is expensive, food's expensive, everything's expensive. I cannot stop itching. Ah, God. Not asking for much, just a mug. You you are definitely uh not alone when you ask for a mug. People like those mugs. They're cool. They're good size too. I really wish I can get Ember to make one. Is it? Oh, it is, isn't it? Look at that. I didn't even look up there. See, that's another hard part about this crap is making sure you turn off your restroom break sign. Thanks, man. Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate it, user. Even TP is expensive. Oh God, Cree, don't even say that. So check this out. So when it gets hot here, my electric bill is around 400 or 500 bucks for air conditioning. Yeah, when it gets hot here. All right, so PRSO decided to come back. Big spike and then tail off back again. You're looking at that yellow line. If it breaks that yellow line, it's in trouble. If it holds, I mean, in this particular instance, if it breaks the yellow line, so 148, 140. So if this thing breaks 140, it'll be done because that's the last support I see other than, volume weighted average price, obviously. RITR moving back up. So we have that target that it already hit. This is not your second target, so please don't think that. All right, your second target's going to be about 117. There you go. There's your second target on there. Yep, just got a bill for almost 500. Sorry. Yeah, it's expensive. Electricity. In Nevada, the only thing we have is or I think there's more now other than solar, is NV power. That's it. Midsummer highest 160. I grew up with propane lights when I was a kid. Propane lights are cool. All right, what else is moving? What time is it? Where are we at? 5:41. Okay. AMBO again still. Curious, real quick. Let's see. This one's trying to move. It's a bigger float, 17 million. Volume isn't as crazy as PRSO, which is 78 million. Oh. What? Cree, what happened? Oh, this guy? Oh, wow, this guy, huh? Block account. Oh, yeah, there we go. I got him. I got him, Cree. I got him. I blocked him. Yeah, David. Yeah, 500. Seriously, it gets expensive. I see you put SLDB on here. Let's see what SLDB is looking like. Those two, these two that are on the screen right now look like they've kind of lost their momentum. SLDB, let's see. So SLDB did make a move there. Brief Solid Biosciences announces oversubscribed 240 million private placement. Okay, so you guys have seen private placement news before. Um, you got to dive into that a little bit more. SLDD. I don't care if you. Okay, so that was so 13 minutes ago. They're going to present at the 2026 Muscular Dystrophy Association Clinical and Scientific Conference. That was put out 13 minutes ago. And then right after that, you got that 240 million private placement. Let's see here. When is this thing going on? Okay, so they're going to be at the conference. The conference is March 11th. So that's close for SLDB. It could be fluff, but let's see. Update on the inspired Duchenne phase one half study of the next generation micro dystrophine gene therapy candidate. Okay, so that's not like anything huge, but then you have the oversubscribed 240 million private placement, which the company's selling 14,973,257 shares of common stock at a price of 561. So that's yeah. There you go. I can't remember you were saying. Yeah, JZXN Bullseye. Nah, that is something I personally stay the fuck away from because that is it's not a fun thing to play with. Quick scalp here and there maybe, but I mean, look, I told you guys. I told you guys. Phew. And now what it's going to do is it's going to do exactly what it's doing. So it's going to bounce between the 200 EMA and the volume weighted average price, like you guys have seen before. That's what it's going to do. Here you have a little bit of a cup and handle. I wouldn't hold my breath to see this thing actually work on JZXN. Just saying. I had it somewhere. I don't know. I can't find it. It was this one and another one, I think. But no, it was chlamydia, not gonorrhea. But I mean, sure, we'll go with gonorrhea too. But yeah, this is just it's just nastiness. Well, she's nasty. Same thing. Which one is the one that itches? LOL. This is JZXN. That's the one that itches. All right, Battle is making a move. Battle breakout needs to break out this 2618. It could have a nice shot at running up at that 27, maybe even the 28 again. Remember, with oil prices being high as a kite, that's kind of what you're looking for. You're looking for this thing to go. Brent crude is up 4.11%. So that's pretty big in one day. Oh, you guys have no idea how much I missed coffee yesterday. Ooh. So basically, all this week, I'm curious to see what happens over the weekend. But, oil stocks, obviously, not just oil stocks. You got to look for infrastructure stocks for next week. Infrastructure, AI infrastructure, that kind of stuff. I put out a thing on the Discord, not on the Discord, on the blog yesterday, for you guys to read. Gives you kind of my thoughts about what we should be looking at. Obviously, now and in the coming weeks. Yep, yep. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you. I put it out there. So jrockstocks.com. Look at that. We got reviews. We got reviews. Oh, awesome. All right. Anyways, so you go to the watch list blog, and so this was 11 hours ago. I put up the watch list, right? But right here, this is this is what I want you guys to read. This was put out 20 hours ago. All right. And this will give you an idea of where my brain is going, after listening to some of the shit that I honestly I don't like listening to, but I have to keep an eye on the market. Okay. You guys have no idea. I hate the news. I cannot stand watching the news or listening to it because it's so damn negative. You have to literally put yourself in a different kind of mood to enjoy it. Da, 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 da. All right. You observe and not absorb. News is toxic. I know. It's hard. It's hard. My uncle listens to the news freaking all day long. No joke. All day long he's got it on his TV. Yeah, he switches over to what is it? Judge Millian. And he watches her for a little bit. Uh, it's hard. It's really hard. But what I've been focusing on, it's not just like your random everyday, news. I'm more of the like, hey, what's going on around the globe? So I'm watching like Bloomberg, I'm watching Reuters, those kinds of things. Financial news, not just everything news. Because it's interesting to me how the market moves because somebody says something, or some jackass on the news says something. You know how it goes. I don't have to explain this shit to you. I'm still looking though. I'm still looking. Come on, do what I thought you were gonna do. I jumped the gun here a little bit, but I thought I was gonna do something. We'll see if it's gonna cost me a couple bucks or make me a couple bucks. I think it's gonna make me a couple bucks, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Been wrong. The coffee's starting to kick in. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Give me the night. All right, stop giving me the night and let's do something different. This song is for PRSO. Let's go. MOBX decided to jump up. I'm really looking for a breakout on MOBX. I mean, it's 102 BS. Look at it. Look at this. 112. Oh, it's hilarious. Um, but yeah, I'm really looking for MOBX to break out. It has not yet. I think it's still having some issues, but hopefully it wants to move soon. I don't have patience. There's 112 again. Okay, so breakout means it's gotta hit that it's gotta hit that. There you go. Okay. See, now it's moving. Now it's doing something. So that's cool. My back is so stiff from sitting in the damn chair all day. So let's see if MOBX wants this 136. Look at that. We got time to spare. We hit 25,000. That means there is going to be a live on Monday. You guys just keep making me work. You guys just keep making me work. I enjoy it. It's great. Come on, PRSO. Don't let me down. You know I was thinking you were going to go up and hit that next target. Don't you do it. Wow, RITR. It hit that 95 cents and it came back down. It's doing a nasty little pattern there. 76 cents now on RITR. MOBX again, just having it has a lot of issues. It really does. And yeah, I know there's stuff that's happening, that we don't see with MOBX. Again, they got that Navy contract or whatever. Battle is still having trouble with that $27. Once Battle breaks 27, it should be flying. Technically, technically, if it breaks through about this 2630, I want to say 2630, it should get a move on. 2 down says stack. Stack it up. I'm gonna let this thing come down to the volume weighted average price. I'm not gonna mess with it. It's okay. Stack it up. There is your target on stack. Oh boy. There's a little pullback on stack. So 1 minute. You see what it's been doing? I'll give you an idea of what it's doing. It's kind of messing with people's emotions with these top wicks. A lot of bag holders sitting up there. This is a weird looking inverted head and shoulder pattern on a 30-minute chart. Obviously, breakout. You can see it. The breakout is literally the first take profit there. All right, come on, PRSO. Do it to it. All right. If you guys can, those of you that have been on my lives all the time, tell me one thing you wish that I would do different on the live streams or just in general. And only the people that really really do love me are going to answer this question. You know, love, not sucking. What does that mean? Not sucking. User. What does that mean? Don't just jump right in a stock. What? Come on, but that's entertainment. Okay. I really like when you explain the candles and what they mean. Cool. Yeah, I'm confused too. I don't think I've shown any sucking on here. Play only rock for the first hour and 30 minutes. I think dance. All right. Oh man, I love it. I love it. No country, LOL, Thomas. Okay. Thomas doesn't like country. Start dancing, J-Rock. Haha. So you guys want me to like wear Speedos and stuff or G-strings? You guys want me to do like the just like what are they called? You want me to do suspenders? Oh man. User, you still have not responded to not sucking. I'm not understanding that yet. Please do explain. Yep, new theme every day. Naked stock trading. It would be shirtless because you guys only get this. Well, for YouTube, it wouldn't really be. It would really wouldn't be much there. Bullseye right here. So let's see. Bullseye 44. Let's see. Don't block people who ask legit questions. I'm curious. I'm curious. When did I block someone that had a legit question? I'm curious. Because that one there, that's a legit like, critique. I appreciate that. So Bullseye says, don't block people who ask legit questions. Who did we block? Yeah, that's what I'm curious about too. Asking about prop firms, it's all good. So Bullseye, um, I've more than once, more than twice, more than 100 times because there's somebody that comes on here and asks about the same damn question about the same damn time and continues to talk about prop firms. And that's why we blocked it because I mean, how many times can I actually say I don't believe that prop firms are good? I I I 100% believe that 99.9% of those prop firms are scams and bad and steal your money. So at a certain point, when somebody asks the same damn question over and over and over and over, that's why I block them because there is no getting around it. And at some point, you just start thinking, do they work for a prop firm? You know, that kind of thing. So if that was you, I'm sorry that. But again, that's my explanation for why certain people get blocked, even if they ask a legit question like that. Not necessarily. Oh boy. I wonder if you're the person that got blocked. Are you the person that got blocked? Hey, there we go. Look at that, guys. PRSO just sold me 25 shares. It just hit 85, 185. Let's see. I'm going to press my luck here. I just took some more profit. That was pretty cool, huh? So let's go ahead and do that. While I was talking about prop firms, it decided to go nuts. Brent Unleashed, check OLOX. Okay. This is a good song. Well, that worked out well right there on PRSO. I think she's still got a little bit more to give. Yep. I don't know if I want to go all the way up to 209. I'm going to leave it there for now, but that was pretty easy. We just made some more profit there and I forgot to hit the profit thingy there. Yay, go scalp that profit, y'all. Scalp that profit. My peeps on YouTube, boom! Get ready for that blow horn. All right. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. There's that. So here is OLOX. Get that out of here. Previous gap. I can't give levels on it, just so you know, but we did do pretty good on that so far. Ooh, man, my hand's freezing. All right. So again, no more talking about prop firms on here. I mean, that might as well just put that right underneath. No fucking crypto. um, yeah. Yep. Come on, baby. Let's go. PRSO. You know you want it. You know you want it. Man, Rick Astley. So, um, was it him? Yeah, it was him. So, scrolling through TikToks, whatever. Man, he got a gorgeous daughter. Gorgeous daughter. They're her and her mom are always dancing, and he's usually in the background like, God damn it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna shut up now. See what depriving me of coffee does? I had literally one day of no coffee, and it made me go bonkers. It's itching real bad. Oh gosh, that's horrible. I really, I love talking about stocks that go up. Here's JZXN on a 30 minute. Here's JZXN on a 1 minute. Let's see if it bounces off of this. All right, and that's it. I'm done with coffee for the day. I cannot have any more. Oh God, I miss it. I already miss it. Ah, yes, Brent. Yes, yes, yes. So OLOX was on the watch list, so I can't give you levels. I can't really talk about it. Guys, it is 6:06. We have 24 minutes until market opens. It's been fun. You guys have been awesome. We're at 26,000 likes. What do you say? What do you say we try to get up to 30,000 or 35 or 40 or even, I mean, just, you know, I forgot who said it, but they set their phone on something that was like vibrating and they just put their finger on it and it just got, geez, it blew up. Oh man. All right, let's keep on looking here. But please, if you are subscribed to the Daily Watch This blog, read that thing that I posted yesterday about 20 hours ago. It'll give you an idea of what to look for, um, like what my thought process is. Yes, D Millenfeld, OLOX. Yes. All right, I do like this music. I do like this song, but let's see. But we're gonna go with this one right here. Cree, moving on. Come on, baby. Break on through it. What's up, the one squib? That's a good call there, Bullseye. Yes, it does seem to be. Remember, guys, take profits on the way up. Okay. Always take profits on the way up. Okay. And, this is just a quick little message for you guys. Thank you very much for all your support. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, people on the YouTubes. Don't forget, boom, jrockstocks.com. That's where you go. That's my website. Check it out. If you're new and you haven't, I recommend it. Back hose. I like that. That is a good. Where's the where's the damn pin? I like that. That is a good comment there. Replace. There we go. So Backhoes put continue with better predictions. Anyway, I made more money with your watch list. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for feedback. I need feedback. For this to get better and better and better, I need feedback. So I appreciate you guys for giving me feedback, honest feedback. I don't care if it hurts my feelings. Just give me feedback. You know, I will go buy myself some overalls, and we might make Naked Friday a thing. I don't know. Maybe it'll be Naked Friday. Just kidding. You guys, you silly willies. All right. Still looking for something, even though it's getting closer to market open. Still looking for something. I would keep an eye on Battle. Battle's going to be jumping up and down. And I do have a feeling that it's going to get back up to about 35, maybe even $40 at some point, as this whole thing keeps going here. God, I cannot. I think I need to start taking allergy pills because I am just dying right now. Mhm. How's this one doing? Just messing around. This one's still doing all right. Just trying to get more volume here. My shit's freezing up. Come on, stop freezing up. All right, let's see. Have a naked martini instead, lol. Multi-meat hook. Oh, I like your name. One. But yeah, yeah, definitely. Definitely. Come on, get up there. Yeah, baby, go. Get. And you, what are you doing? What is this thing doing? Oh man. All right, well, I'm gonna take this down here. It's getting too close to market open. We're just gonna go ahead and take the rest of that profit. So we're up for the day. We're green. We have now taken profit multiple times today. We've only really lost on two stocks. Sorry, my watch just yelled at me. It's probably because of caffeine. Oh yeah, we're good. Heart rate 67, y'all. Ugh. Can't stop this Pollock. No way. No how. Not gonna do it. Not today, Junior. Not today, Satan. Okay, I'm gonna calm down a little bit here. All right, what are we looking at here? Come on, man. And I told you guys, MOBX, that thing's just when it breaks out, it's gonna break out. You know, when it breaks out, it's really gonna break out. It'll break that 118 MOBX. It already had the news, as you guys know, but I guess let's see. I guess there's more news. Have a beer. I don't have any. I'm out. I'm out of lemonade. I don't have any more lemonade. I don't have any more apple juice. I'm a little sad about that, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, TR coming back up. It's going to have a lot of resistance there at that $1 mark, obviously. What's up? Never mind. And guys, when you guys come in the room, don't forget to say hi. I like seeing who's in here. It's nice. It really makes me happy to see all your beautiful faces in here. All names, I guess, not faces, names. So I appreciate you. And I gotta say, man, Mitchell out the gate. He did 20 golden gloves. That crazy mofo. David Zavala, thank you for the roses. Appreciate you, man. I'm glad you're part of the community. And like I said, hopefully it's working out for you and you are becoming profitable. All right, let's change this up here. We're gonna go into this. We're gonna go into this right here. You guys wanted me to dance. Well, I'm dancing. My camera on my computer is like, what the hell's going on? Trying to follow this dude's face. Come on, baby. Come on, OLXO. OL OLOX. Jeez. Dyslexia, I swear to goodness. Do my Austin Powers dance after PRSO. Yeah, let's go. No worries, man. Thank you. I'm glad it's working out for you too. All right, 6:15. That means you got to be careful. That means I have to start preaching for you guys to take your profits. Definitely make sure to take your profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. And make sure that you go jrockstocks.com, read the rules, re-educate yourselves on the rules. The market is a very nasty place and it will beat you to your knees if you let it. Right, two down? That's right. Look at OLX. Oh, Jesus, I did it again. OLOX getting knocked down to volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price. Like that. We are 27,000 likes, especially Jay-Z, whatever the hell it ends with. LOL. Yep. Don't touch that one, man. I'm telling you. That one has chlamydia. She's a nasty one. And I would watch for PRSO to break through $2. That one could possibly run. I mean, its average volume is 408,000. Its floats 8.97 million and it's already done 111 million. That is just amazing that it has that much go. If you pay attention, you'll see a lot of stocks with low float, high relative volume. You want that high relative volume. It rotates that float multiple times. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's how you find the runners. Okay. Now it is harder to find the runners before they run. You just really have to pay attention to bullseye. You can only on Thinkorswim, you could only trade like I think 3 days back. 3 days back. I don't think you could trade current day. That's why I like Weeble. You can paper trade on there during market open, during pre-market. It allows it. I know who you are, Bullseye. I know who you are. I do know who you are. Yep, I figured out. The way that I figured it out is the way you message on YouTube is the same way you messaged on TikTok. And it's pretty much the same stuff you talk about. You talk about prop firms, you talk about paper trading. I'm telling oh man. Oh God. All right. I know who you are. Oh gosh. All right. I'm having too much fun. I am. The damn caffeine's hit me now and I'm flying. Whew. Oh man, 6:19. We got 11 minutes until market opens. 11 minutes. Let's go, baby. Bagels with OLOX. What's up, Bubblehead? She Jay-Z made you lose 2K? Two down? Are you talking about Jay-Z? SYNX says Debbie. SYNX. SYNX right there. Silinx.com. Yeah. Oh, dude, you should literally like just open up your chart and write in big letters like chlamydia or gonorrhea or something really nasty that's going to just remind you or put negative 2K. That might remind you. Okay, what was I looking at? What was I? Oh yeah, I was going to check SYNX. No touchy. Oh, okay. All right, there you go. All right, so 4 minutes ago, SYNX received over 620,000 tactical dollars worth of tactical systems order from a military force in the Middle East. Wait a second. Hmm. Hmm. Careful, it's Israel. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking right there. Yep, that's what I was thinking. So again, it's only good for a scalp right now. Be very careful. Na, 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 na. So again, go onto the website, go to the watch list blog and read the information that I put out there right before the watch list. And it will give you a better idea, a better understanding of what you should be looking for in the market moving forward, moving into next week. Now, I will probably put another so I don't know what I'm going to call these things that I'm putting out there. I almost want to call them something like, uh sniper list or something like that. I don't know. Um, something like that. I don't know. Because it's going to be my take on what I think is possibly going to move in the next few days, kind of thing like that. And I almost want to put these out on a daily basis, you know, kind of like once a day, or if I see the market shifting or something. I forgot to open this. There we go. It's a little more light. So yeah, hope you guys are having fun. Yep. Keep an eye on battle. Yep. You guys saw it drop down to what, I think 19 yesterday and then right back up to 27, 26, 27. Yeah. Shit, 28, I think, yesterday. BATL. So here you're looking for a little bit of a breakout. I'll go ahead and I'll put a target on this thing, but just be careful with it. Know that it's very dangerous. Yeah, it's currently at resistance. It's got, there you go. You got a gap right here at 179. There's a little gap there for you. Look how many times it's been stopped at $2. How many times? And look at its exact pattern. Look at what it's doing. Every time it pumps up, it dumps. It pumps up, it dumps. So you see what's gonna happen. Like this is standard operating procedure for this thing. So market opens in 6 minutes. I'll have more fun if PRSO goes back up. Richard. So PRSO right now, what's happening is it's being dragged down by market makers, by profit takers. That's what's going on right now. So at market open, if hang on, at market open, why is my damn screen doing that again? Stucky. Ah, there we go. All right. So at market open, what I see this thing doing is it'll probably drop down to like 148, maybe even lower, 142. And within like the first 5 minutes of market open, it's gonna tell you what it's gonna do. It's either gonna drop to the red line and trade between the red line and the yellow line, or it's gonna come down, find support right here, and then bounce back up and nail this target. What do you mean music is overrunning me? Shouldn't be too loud. I've already got it toned down quite a bit. There you go. Is that better? God, man, my back. Oh, so stiff from sitting in that chair. Okay, bud, we all make mistakes. That's how we learn. Yo, what's up, Andy? There he is. There he is. All right. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes till markets open. So you guys know, whoops, whoopsies. So you guys know I told you my piece on this one. I think it'll get back up. Um, and then this one over here, I showed you guys what this one does, and it's literally like clockwork for this thing to do that. Angela Langley, what's up? Thank you for the little heart guy thing. What is that? What is this? Let me open that up. Open. There we go. For some reason it was cutting everything off. EONR, is it moving again? 73 cents. EONR has a problem of breaking that 70, I want to say 76 cents. If it breaks 76 cents, you'll have a new high, and EONR was on the screen earlier. Yeah, very choppy. EONR is very choppy. It's having issues. So if it can break 76 real quick, after market opens, it'll probably it'll probably hit this and then come right back down. PRSO still fudging along there. 2 minutes till market opens. All right, GBR 125. Let's see, MOBX 103, RITR 81 cents. TPET, I'd watch that one today. Obviously, Battle. I think Battle can get up to 30, 35, maybe even again, as long as the oil prices are doing what they're doing. I told you guys oil is at 90 bucks right now. It's up 5.44%. Can you believe that? And that's how these stocks, that's what they're doing. And told you, look at PRSO. Let's go. All right, market opens here real soon, guys. We hit 29,000 likes. That's awesome. Thank you very much for hanging out. I appreciate it. I'm freaking dancing over here. Got to pee. Uh, all right, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You guys are awesome. Uh, Lisa, good to see you again on YouTube. And yeah, we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys have fun. Take your profits on the way up, not on the way down. All right. Peace out, guys. Debbie, you have a great weekend as well. Happy Friday, Cree. I'll talk to you guys later on the Discord. Guys on YouTube, thank you very much for hanging out. Again, thanks for watching. If you're hungry for more winning plays, smash that like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to stop bag holding and start winning. Jrockstocks.com, baby. Let's go. All right. Bye, guys. Peace out.